This is the footprint of the fire now on almost 20,000 acres, and the red around it, that's the perimeter. Any black there is containment. There's zero black right now. So that's what we're up against, and my new friend Rich tells me that the winds are going to get higher tonight. So that's what we have in store. Critical fire danger. We have red flag warnings that remain up in super dry conditions with winds that will increase. We're already starting to feel them a little bit now, but they'll come up another 10, 20, 30 miles an hour overnight. The next 12 hours, I believe, is pretty critical here. So we could have new fire starts, maybe some spreads as well. On top of that, even after the winds die down, the smoke the next 24 to 48 to 72 hours through the weekend will be very, very dense. So when people start coming back to their homes over the weekend, they're going to have to deal with that as well. And no rain in the forecast until further notice, Tony.
Rob, it's so remarkable to see that map with no black lines of containment here on Thursday, 2 days after it started.
Sadly, many insurance companies have canceled insurance for a lot of the families who have been affected and will be affected, which is only going to delay or place an added burden on their ability to recover. And I think that is an important point that must be raised, and hopefully there can be some way to address that issue, because these families, so many of them, otherwise will not have the resources to recover in any meaningful way. And many of them have lost everything.
My aunt is missing, and we're not sure where she is. The padlock is on her gate, but there's no house. So we have to look through the rubble to see if she's there.
As the flames descended at 4 in the morning, Rupert Garcia tried to fight back.
At what point did you realize, like, I'm not going to stay in the house?
When my son-in-law grabbed me like this and said, "No, we got to go." Wow. And I was like, "No, man." And I turned around and I mean, "I can't go, bro. 51 years that I've been in this house."
So often we hear they escaped only with the clothes on their back.
I didn't get anything. This is it. Look at my shoes. See? These are my house slippers.
In the destruction, there was a search for anything with meaning.
This is everything you own.
Everything. And then, you know, now we're just trying to find something. I mean, I don't care. Like my kid found teacup, half a teacup, broken. She was thrilled. You know what? I mean, what else can we get, man? It's gone, bro.
I'm going to break down again. That's what I feel. It's my whole life. 5 minutes ago, I was sitting in the car by myself, and tears just came over my face. So, my entire history is in the house. I'm okay. I'll be okay. I'm tough, and we'll start over. Even though I'm 91 years old, I'll start over again.
You're gonna be okay, hi? You're gonna be okay. Don't worry about that, dude.
The plastic is gone, dude. So, where's the gas? Okay, the gas is off right now. Huh? No, don't open the window. Don't open anything. Just stay over here.